how to change your favorite games on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll all the way down. Here you will find interests, click on it and then click this one, favorite games. If you want to change it, just remove it and type any game you want here and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.